Go.
Hey Brno, hey Brno, hey Brno, ho! Hey Brno, hey Brno, go, go, go! Hello guys. I don't actually know if it's only Brno watching this or entire ISEC Czech Republic, but we wanted to greet you from a conference where I'm chairing in Colombia. And we wanted to tell you that also ISEC Colombia knows or is supporting LC Brno in their application for Best LC Award. You probably remember some of you, Mishu?
Hey guys, I actually met some of you 2 years ago in a local conference meeting where probably your LCP was a new member, I'm not sure. I could see even from then the potential that you have, so just good luck in the competition you are in and show what Brno is all about.
And this is Lucas, he's LCP of Colombia, he's also supporting Brno, and he learned a good phrase to support it.
Ahoy Czech Republic, as Maria said, this is Lucas. I'm really looking forward to visiting your country next year. And yeah, I learned some Czech, which is like
Just a translation. So thank you.
Prosím pivo.
Jedno pivo, 2 pivos for us, each of us, and good luck.
Bye.
Bye.